balance. Pancit canton. Sa kakanin.
Can I have some?
Yummy. Today is day 88 out of 365 days for the year of 2026. So, wala tayong ginawa ngayon kundi mag food trip lang. So, that's it for today. See you again tomorrow.